You told AI not to pause your hero campaign. You wrote it in the rules. You wrote it in the playbook. You started the session, asked it to clean up your ad spend, and 20 minutes later, your hero campaign was paused anyway. You blamed yourself. You thought maybe the rule was unclear, maybe the prompt was too long, maybe you should have been more specific. It wasn't you, it's how AI remembers things. And there's a fix that doesn't take a developer to set up. One bracket in the name of your campaign. That's it. Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Here's what's actually happening when AI forgets. Every AI session has a memory window, a fixed amount it can hold in its head at one time. Think of it like trying to remember a grocery list with 200 items in line at the store. The newer items stay sharp. The older ones get fuzzy. By the time you're at the register, the eggs you reminded yourself about 10 minutes ago aren't there. Researchers who study this estimate the practical limit at around 150 separate instructions before drift starts to show up. The newer models advertise much bigger memory windows, but the older instructions still get summarized and compressed as the session goes on. The rule you wrote at the top is still in there. It just got paraphrased into something softer, and the AI started filling in the gaps with guesses. The fix isn't a smarter AI. It isn't a longer prompt. It's a label. If you tell AI, bake me a cake, you'll get a cake. Maybe with the eggs, maybe without. If you measure out the sugar, the flour, the eggs, and the salt, and put a card next to each one that says what it is, you'll get the cake every time. The AI didn't get smarter. The kitchen got organized. For an Amazon seller, the kitchen is your campaign names. Here's the trick. In front of every campaign name, you put a bracket. Inside the bracket, you put what that campaign is for. Then you tell AI once at the start of any session what your brackets mean. After that, every time it reads a campaign name, it sees the tag and treats the campaign accordingly. No guessing. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. 5 examples you can rename in Campaign Manager today. A ranking campaign. Bracket rank, then the ASIN, then SP for sponsored products, then exact for exact match, then tier 1 for your priority tier. Now when you ask AI to clean up your high ACoS campaigns, you tell it to skip the rank ones, and it knows which ones those are without you listing each one. Ranking campaigns are supposed to run loose on ACoS. The bracket carries that rule. A B2B only campaign. Bracket B2B only, then the ASIN, then SP, then broad, then profit. When AI looks at this campaign, it knows the audience is business buyers, not weekend shoppers. So it won't suggest consumer keywords or evening bid changes that would waste spend on the wrong segment. A defensive brand campaign. Bracket defense, then the brand term, then SB for sponsored brands, then exact, then hold SOV. Tell AI once that defense means brand protection. The job is holding share of voice on your own brand search, not chasing efficiency. The bracket holds that context every time. An A to Z response template. Bracket A to Z response, then the tone rules right in the title. Apologetic, max 2 sentences. Never admit fault. Offer replacement first. AI now drafts replies in your house voice every time it sees the bracket because the rules are right there. A hazmat SKU returns rule. Bracket hazmat SKU, then the rule set. No return label, replacement only. Escalate anything over $50. AI handles the case the way your warehouse team wanted handled, not the way it feels right. Same pattern across all 5. A square bracket that names the rule, then the specific item. The AI never forgets because the rule is right there in the name of the thing, and you told it once what the rule means. Here's the test before you trust AI with any business rule. If a new VA started Monday, and you could only hand them one line of context for each task, what would that line say? Whatever that one line is, in brackets, in front of every campaign, template, or SKU rule. That's your AI's memory file. That's the cheat sheet it reads every time. Most sellers don't realize the structure of the name they give a campaign is the instruction the AI follows. Change the name, change the behavior. No new prompts, no new tools, no code. This works on any campaign your AI can see through an MCP server. So, here's the question. Of every campaign in your ad account, the rank pushers, the B2B only, the defensive brand plays, which one are you going to rename first? Tell me one in the comments. See you in the next one.